I started as a wildlife guide. I have worked in almost all the verticals of wildlife tourism management, be it be resort management, be it be guiding, or advisory to the forest department in bringing up the tourism facility, or advisory to the local communities who are living in the fringes of the forest. I might have sighted more than 800 tigers.
You developed personal relationship with Maya.
Yeah, she is the one who contributed for my success into this industry.
कल्याण मित्र लोकल कम्युनिटीज़ के लिए बहुत कुछ करती है. थोड़ा बताइए कल्याण मित्र के बारे में.
Basically, Kalyan Mitra is a very big word. अगर if you are inclined to why I came with the word called as Kalyan Mitra, उसके पीछे भी एक reason है. The reason is like if you go with the philosophy or the teachings of Gautam the Buddha, उनके इसमें एक वर्ड यूज़ किया है कल्याण मित्र. कल्याण मित्र एक ऐसा पर्सन है जो मनुष्य के कल्याण के लिए काम करता है. ठीक है, वहाँ से मुझे ये शब्द मिला है मेरी स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी में, और मैंने कल्याण मित्र को लेके आया है और इसका एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाया है. ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन काम करता है बोथ टूरिज़्म फैसिलिटी के लिए और एज वेल एज यहाँ की जो लोकल कम्युनिटीज़, नॉट ओनली इन ताड़ोबा, कहीं पर भी आप जाओगे वहाँ पे जो भी सेंट्रल इंडिया फॉरेस्ट है जहाँ पर कम्युनिटीज़ को रिक्वायरमेंट है वहाँ हम हेल्प करते हैं.
Under Kalyan Mitra, we are helping the local communities in two fronts. The first and foremost thing is the education. Apart from it, there is one responsible wing of forest department called as PRT. PRT stands for Primary Response Team. So they are the forefronts for protecting the forest. We wanted to strengthen the PRT team, and we have already started our work.
Why I entered into tourism? Because by heart I'm a conservationist. I love nature. I want to protect the nature. But in 2010 I realized that ecotourism is also a very, very important tool for conservation. I've seen a lot of transformation which has happened in Tadoba National Park from 2010 till 2025. जो 15 years में जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है, लेकिन 2010 में आप देखोगे there were only 3 resorts which were there in Tadoba. Number of guides and drivers which are employed in tourism, they were only in hundreds. You can count in hundreds. But now in 15 years, for tourism there are more than 5,000 families which are directly or indirectly employed in tourism in Tadoba National Park. Okay, and the number of resorts were 3. Now there are more than 150 resorts which are there. Apart from that, the tourism has increased. The number of tigers has also increased in Tadoba. In 2010, as per the 1990 figures, there were only 19 tigers. And as per the 2022 census which we have from NTC, there are more than 100 tigers which are in Tadoba National Park.
From 19 to
100 plus tigers in Tadoba National Park.
Wow.
So this is the importance of ecotourism, and that's why we have come and I entered into ecotourism, and I consider ecotourism as a model for conservation, and that's the reason I'm into this thing.
It is very important that the forest and the villagers who live in and around the forest work together. So you are living, breathing and eating conservation.
Yeah. So for me, ecotourism is a tool for conservation.
Yes.
The Tadoba National Park has given me, they have accepted me in my transition stage, and now I am well established in Tadoba National Park.
You have embraced each other.
We have embraced each other. Now it's time where I am thinking that to give it back to Tadoba National Park what they have given.
Yeah.
There are many जो टूरिस्ट आता है जंगल, उसको नेचर से प्यार है, और she wanted to contribute his services in whatever way he can for the development of or for the protection of the nature environment उस चीज़ के लिए. लेकिन उनके पास में एक बड़ा माध्यम नहीं रहता जहाँ से वो अपनी सर्विसेज आप लोगों तक पहुँचा सके और उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन पहुँचा सके. तो मुझे वो चीज़ समझ में आई, तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैंने फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट को भी हेल्प करता हूँ. मैं जो ताड़ोबा फाउंडेशन है उनके लिए भी मैं मदद करता. अगर कोई बिग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है लाइक जैसे अपने रिसेंटली आदित्य बिरला ग्रुप हो गया, प्रोफेक्टस हो गया, ठीक है, ICIC फाउंडेशन हो गया, उनके लिए भी हमने काफ़ी काम किया, जिन्होंने अपने CSR फाउंडेशन से ताड़ोबा अंतरिक टाइगर रिजर्व फाउंडेशन में काफ़ी सारा सम डोनेट किया. अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट there are some guests who really wanted to do directly for them. तो जैसे मैं स्कूल ग्रुप भी करता हूँ, तो स्कूल ग्रुप में एक ग्रुप में ऐसा रहता है सीन कि हम लोग एक एक्टिविटी रहती है, हम एक सफारी नहीं करते लेकिन एक एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस करते हैं. एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस में ऐसा होता है कि मैं उनको जंगल, यहाँ के जो फ्रिंजेस है ताड़ोबा में टोटल 79 विलेजेस है. तो इस विलेजेस में हम उनको लेके जाते हैं और वॉट एवर वे दे कैन हेल्प द कम्युनिटीज़ हियर, they can contribute their services.
Pool which we have is my village Kodega, that was in a very shabby state, and thank you so much for the contribution which you have made. I will show you that school. It's completely transformed.
I am so excited about the school.
I thank Mr. Mungattiwar. He is a teacher. I saw a vision in his eyes. He supported my vision how to go about it. I liked his vision where he wanted to contribute his services. What he said that he wanted to make the students more skillful, more powerful. So by next year, he has a vision wherein everything infrastructure this year he will be completing. Next year, he will focus more on the bringing up the quality of the students. Kind of thing.
So the journey has just started. We look forward for your continuous support in this venture.